Hey, Dr. Jack Kunkel here. I wanted to explain how I was able to help so many new patients over the last 6 months. I mean, I've literally tripled my patient base, and I was able to do that with a whole bunch of new technology and some brand new stuff I'm just rolling out. And one of the brand new things that I'm rolling out right now is DNA testing. And one of the new DNA testing companies, they're basically sequencing your entire genome 6.4 billion times. Then they're going to take this sequence and put it through artificial intelligence, and they're going to analyze every single data point with all existing published studies on your genome. The next one I started doing is true cellular detox. Look, we live in just an era where there's so many different toxins from the air we breathe, the food we eat, and I'm able to use a program I studied under docs for about 6 months that teaches me exactly how to pull out what toxins are causing the body to shut down. I mean, we heal you at a cellular level. Next, we use something called Nerve Express. It's a heart rate variability monitor, and I'm able to look at the autonomic nervous system, and this autonomic nervous system is the thing that's running your entire body. And then finally, a form of kinesiology that's been around since the 60s and has a lot of published data. And I really like this because it's a tool. It's a tool of kinesiology that we do against other things. So we're going to use what the 5 common barriers are for people not healing. We're going to be able to use all organic foods, and I test a little over 300. We're going to be testing herbs, glandulars, cytosols, protomorphogens, you name it. There's so many things that we're able to test for. And we're able to test for it directly on the body. Then we're using all other testing. I'm using a urinalysis that is 50 times more powerful than blood work for cellular inflammation, VCS testing. Then finally we have our new sophisticated air filtration system, Air Oasis. NASA used this technology. It's able to do a lot more in this room, so it gets rid of germs and bacteria super quick. When I was just working as a clinical nutritionist, the protocols would be X, Y, and Z. For example, I just treated somebody today. The dose of something to help her thyroid was supposed to be 9 a day, and her body only wanted 3 a day. So if I even gave her 4 a day, it would make her body weak, which basically said she was getting way too much of that. But before I could actually treat her with that, what I had to do is get rid of some bacteria in her body that was affecting her thyroid. So I got rid of that bacteria. She's in her late 50s. And she's already had really, really good results. She's lost 7% of her body fat and around 20 pounds in around 2 months. So pretty aggressive. Energy's better, sleeps better, and that type of thing. So we're able to holistically put together a program for you. And we've been able to see a tremendous amount of possibilities come up for patients that were otherwise hopeless become hopeful.